How to use AXA Car Insurance Luxembourg properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. AXA Car Insurance is a leading provider in Luxembourg, but many drivers make mistakes that can cost money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that having a policy alone isn't enough. You need to know how to use it correctly. One common mistake is relying solely on third-party liability coverage. While it meets legal requirements, it won't cover damage to your own car. Comprehensive coverage protects both your vehicle and finances, particularly for newer or high-value cars. Another frequent error is mismanaging deductibles. A low deductible reduces out-of-pocket costs after a claim, but raises premiums, while a high deductible saves on premiums but can leave you paying more if an accident occurs. Choosing the right balance is essential. Failing to update your policy is also a trap. Life changes like moving, adding a new driver or purchasing a new car can affect coverage. Not updating AXA may lead to denied claims or gaps in protection. Many drivers overlook discounts. AXA offers savings for safe driving, accident-free history, and bundle policies. Missing these can cost hundreds of euros annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow payouts. Document damages, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative to avoid delays. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize AXA Car Insurance Luxembourg. Ensure your coverage is appropriate, choose the right deductible, update your policy regularly, use discounts, and understand the claims process. This keeps you fully protected on every journey.